Snow tayo dito. Hello mga kababayan. Snow baka mo. Ito na. Si Bam Motovlog. Ayan ang aking dalawang Bam Motovlog. Okay, shout out to all my kababayans out there. We are here. Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Our
first snow experience.
Our first snow experience. Woohoo! Don't shout. Oh, what's that? Snow. Yeah, there's the snow. Yes. There's the snow. Hi, Snow.
Hi, Dad.
Sorry. Hi. Oh, there's the snow. There's the snow. Hi, Liana.
Hi.
Hi, kayo.
Hi, Daddy.
Sorry.
Daddy. It's okay.
Ready?
Ready? Oh, sorry.
Tata.
You don't like what's life. I'm going to roll over the fish like that. Heavy, look at it.
Oh, Liana, you might hit someone.
Super fun. Tata.
Ezro.
Oh, careful, anak, you might hit someone. Go, Lanza! Go, Lanza! Go, Lanza! Oh, careful, careful!
Huh?
Go here, go here! Okay, go, Lanza! Go, Lanza! Go, Eliana!
Okay, wait.
We're all wet!
I need to go the other way.
Go, Lanza!
Go the other way.
Go, Lanza! Go, Lanza! Go, Lanza! Hawak niya! Hawak niya! Hi, Mami!
Hi. Hindi naman. Sakit sa puwit. Medyo puwit ko.
Hello, everyone! Hello, everyone! Hello to all my kababayans out there!
My feet.
Raise your feet. Lord.
Hi everyone, so this is our hotel. There you go. Look at the view. This is our hotel. Yan. Hey, there you go. Okay. Yan yung hotel namin. Okay, there you go. Yun yung Snow Peak. Kaya kami nagpunta kanina. There you go. Yan yung hotel namin. Actually, it's a cabin. Okay. Video? Yeah, video yan. Oh.
This scooter.
Scotel.
Yeah, this is you want the bigger fish? Okay. Ready?
Go! Oh my God!
My daddy is not.
Nalalagyan ako na ito sa pinapatan. Lots of slide! Lots of slide!
Look!